One of the ways to score A in mathematics is to do lots of past year questions. In this video, I'll be going through 4 past year questions on ratio and proportion, and we'll start right now. Hello everyone, my name is Shirley and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you'd like to improve in your math skills, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you don't miss anything. Let's take a look at the first past year question. Let's look at question number 1. So question 1 is in year 2016, question 36. So a car needs 50 liters of petrol to travel 650 kilometers. So what is the distance in kilometers can the car travel with 75 liters of petrol? Okay, so it means that 50 liters can travel 650 kilometers. So you're going to find how many kilometers for 75 liters of petrol. Okay, so I'm going to write here, so 50 liters, okay, is 650 kilometers. So to find 1 liter, so I'm going to use 650 divided by 50. Okay, so I'm going to write the working here. The first step is to divide. So 650 divided by 50. Okay, so we get 1 times 50 is 50. Then we minus 65 minus 50 is 15. We bring down the 0. Okay, so 3 times 50 is 150. So it's 13 kilometers. Okay, which means that 1 liters, okay, you can use 1 liter of petrol to travel 13 kilometers. Okay, what about 75 liters of petrol? So 75 liters of petrol will be 13 times with 75. Okay, so my second step is to times. So 13 times with 75 times together. So 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, and then after that 7 times 3 is 21, okay? Then 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9. Then plus together, okay? So we get 975 kilometers. So equals to 975 kilometers. Okay, now we look at the options A, B, C, D, and the answer is B. Okay, that's the answer. Let's look at question number 2. This is in year 2017, question 1. The diagram below shows the duck eggs and chicken eggs in 2 different containers. So we have duck eggs. Let's count how many duck eggs are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to write 7 over here. Okay, whereas chicken eggs. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 chicken eggs. So state the ratio of the number of duck eggs to the total number of both duck and chicken eggs. So duck and chicken eggs. Okay, so the ratio will be, okay, duck eggs. Okay, duck eggs. Okay, this is the ratio, dot dot. Okay, so duck plus chicken eggs. So duck, okay, plus chicken eggs. So duck eggs, how many are there? 7. So duck plus chicken will be 7 plus 5. So we get 7 to 12. Okay? And the answer is B. Okay, let's look at question number 3. This is in year 2018, question 22. The table below shows Aslan's age and Rada's age. Jason's age is not shown. Okay, so Aslan is 8 years old. Okay, so 8 years old here. And then Jason is unknown and Radha is 40 years old. So Jason is 3 years older than Aslan, which means that Jason is 8 plus 3, okay, which is 11 years old. So I'm going to write here, okay. Okay, what is the ratio of Jason's age to Radha's age after 5 years? So I'm going to add 5 to Jason's age and Radha's age, okay. So Jason to Radha. Okay, so Jason is 11 years old and Radha is 40. Okay, but after 5 years, which means that both I have to add 5. Okay, add 5 at both sides. So we get 16 to 45. Okay, so let's look at the options A, B, C, D, and the answer is D. Let's look at question number 4. This is in UPSR 2018 question 9. So the diagram below shows several hexagons of the same size. So what is a hexagon? So hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides, okay? So A, state the ratio of the number of shaded hexagons to the number of unshaded hexagons. So the ratio will be shaded to unshaded. So shaded to unshaded. Okay, so let's count the shaded ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 shaded ones, okay? Whereas unshaded will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's the answer, 5 to 7. Okay, that's the answer for A. Let's look at B. Misu asked Ross to shade another 1/6 of the total hexagons. So total hexagons will be the total of shaded hexagons plus unshaded hexagons. Okay, so it will be 5 plus 7, so it will become 12. Okay, so the working is 1/6 times 12. Okay, which means that you need to shade 2 more hexagons. Okay, 2 more. So calculate the ratio of the number of shaded to the total. Okay, so now we have a new ratio, okay, which is shaded to the total, okay? Okay, total. So shaded will be 5 plus 2 more, okay, and the total is still 12, okay, and the final answer is 7 to 12. Okay, so that is the final answer. Well, that's all for now. Do you understand what you learned today? Let me know in the comments below. If you find this video useful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my new videos every single week. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you keep on learning, keep on practicing, and keep on watching my videos, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!